This is Tej Prakash and welcome back to our channel. In today's class, I am going to explain you interesting and important topic, that is trigonometry. So, what is meant by trigonometry? The word trigonometry is made up of three Greek words, that is tri, and another one is gono, and another one is metry. What is meant by tri? Tri in the sense 3. What is meant by gono? Gono in the sense sides. And metry. And metry in the sense measurements. The trigonometry, it is made up of three Greek words, that is tri, and another one is gono, and another one is metry. What is meant by tri? Tri in the sense 3, gono in the sense sides, and metry in the sense measurements. So in the word trigonometry, you can understand the meaning of the trigonometry. That means the measurements of three sides of a triangle is called trigonometry. That means, so you can get a doubt why they kept an order: first tri, second gono, and third metry. Because it is a measurements of three sides. Three sides measurements. That means the measurements of three sides of a triangle is called trigonometry. So first here we will learn the trigonometry ratios. We will learn trigonometric ratios. First, let us draw an right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, and let us assume this angle as theta. So we know that the side opposite to 90 degrees is said to be hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side to theta. This is theta, right? And this is the opposite side to theta, and this is the adjacent side to theta. This is the opposite side to theta, and this is the adjacent side to theta, and this is the hypotenuse. Now we will know the trigonometric ratios. The first trigonometric ratio is sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta means the opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equals to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So here the opposite side to theta is, this is the opposite side to theta by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So let us assume this triangle as triangle ABC. So they have given the angles. That means this will be the side AB, this will be the side AC, and this will be the side BC. So we know what is sin theta. So sin theta will be equal to AB by AC. Side AB by AC is equals to sin theta. And our next trigonometric ratio is cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta means the adjacent side by hypotenuse. The adjacent side to theta by the hypotenuse. That means the value of cos theta will be equal to, here the adjacent side is side BC. See, by hypotenuse is AC. So cos theta is equals to BC by AC. And the third trigonometric ratio is tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta means the opposite side to theta by the adjacent side to theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. The tan theta, we can also write it as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. You can get it out that why we can cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. So you can get it out why we can write sin theta by cos theta. Because here we know the sin theta value, that is opposite by hypotenuse. And what is cos theta? Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Right? So this will be equal to opposite by hypotenuse into, here it is doing division. If we take it upwards, it will be multiplication. It will be reciprocal because from downwards we are taking to upwards, right? By adjacent. So here hypotenuse side gets cancelled and it will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. And next one is cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta means the hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. So guess how we can also write it as, see here we know the values of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So cosecant theta in terms of sine, how we can write it as? So we know the value of sin theta, that is opposite by hypotenuse. So here cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. That means this is also equal to 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal to sin theta. And the next one is secant theta. What is secant theta? Here secant theta means the hypotenuse by the adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So here in cosecant theta we wrote it as 1 by sin theta because it is reciprocal to sin theta. So we can write the secant theta as 1 by cos theta because cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse side. So secant theta is reciprocal to cos theta. It can also be written as 1 by cos theta. And the last one is cot theta. Cot theta means the adjacent side by opposite side is equals to cos theta. So we know here tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. That means this cot theta is reciprocal for tan theta. So we can write cot theta as 1 by tan theta. Can we write it? Yeah, because it is reciprocal to tan theta. And so in tan theta we wrote in terms of sine and cos, right? So in the same way we can write cot theta in terms of sine and cos. We already know that cot theta is reciprocal for tan theta. In terms of sine and cos, it will be also be reciprocal. That means it will be equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta will be equal to cos theta by sin theta, and it is also equal to 1 by tan theta, and it is equals to adjacent side by opposite side. And now we will learn some important ratios of some angles in trigonometry. First, we will know some important ratios for certain angles that are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now we will know the trigonometric ratios for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So here, first, sin theta. We will know the values for sin theta. So sin 0 degrees is 0 and sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 and sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 degrees is 1. If you know the values of sin theta, you can know the values of cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta automatically. So how you will know? There is a certain order here. So sin theta and cos theta are co-angles, co-ratios. That means this is sin theta, this is cosine theta. So these two are co-ratios. So that here sin 0 degrees will be equal to sin 90 degrees and sin 30 degrees will be equal to sin 60 degrees. If you observe here, if we add 0 degrees and here 90 degrees, it is equals to 90 degrees. And here 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is 90 degrees. And here 45 degrees and 45 degrees is 90 degrees. So for co-ratios, if the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, their values will be equal. So here cos, we know the values of sin theta here. So the values for cos theta is, so cos 0 degrees will be 1 because here sin 90 degrees is 1 and cos 30 degrees will be root 3 by 2 because sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. In the same way, here cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 because here sin 45 degrees and cos 45 degrees, if we add both angles, it is 90 degrees. It is equals to 90 degrees so that their values will be equal. Then trigonometric ratios will be equal here. And next, cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equals to 1 by 2 because we know the value for sin 30 degrees, that is equals to 1 by 2. And cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is 0 because sin 0 degrees is 0. In the same way, here tan theta. How we will find tan theta? Tan theta in terms of sin and cos. What is the value of tan theta in terms of sin and cos? You need to remember it. Tan theta in terms of sin and cos is sin theta by cos theta. So here we can find the value of tan theta by using that sin theta by cos theta. That means 0 by 1. Any number by 0 is 0. So tan 0 degrees is 0 and tan 30 degrees. 30 degrees means sin 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees. That means 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. That is equals to 1 by root 3. And in the same way, for tan 45 degrees, that means sin 45 degrees by cos 45 degrees. So 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. That means it is equals to 1 because any number by the number itself is 1. Okay. And next, tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees means it is equals to root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. That means it is equals to root 3. And tan 90 degrees. So coming to here, tan 90 degrees, the value is undefined. Why it is undefined? Because sin 90 degrees by cos 90 degrees. What is the value of sin 90 degrees? Sin 90 degrees is 1 and cos 90 degrees is 0. So 1 by 0, it is undefined. We can't find the value. Okay? Any number by 0 is undefined. Okay? And next, cosecant theta. Here, cosecant theta is reciprocal to sin theta. So simply, we can write the reciprocal values of sin theta for cosecant theta. So the reciprocal for 0 is undefined and the reciprocal for 1 by 2, that is equals to 2. So the cosecant 30 degrees is 2 and the cosec 45 degrees. So coming to the cosec 45 degrees is the reciprocal for sin 45 degrees. That means 1 by root 2. So it will be also equal to 1 by root 2. And cosec 60 degrees is 2 by root 3. It is reciprocal for sin 60 degrees. That means root 3 by 2. Reciprocal for root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And next, cosec 90 degrees. So here sin 90 degrees is 1. The reciprocal for sin 90 degrees is also 1 because it is equals to 1 by 1. Okay. And here, if you observe here, cosecant and secant, these both are co-angles, co-ratios. Okay. Like sin and cos. So here cosecant 0 degrees will be the value of here secant 0 degrees will be cosecant 90 degrees. That means here cosecant 90 degrees is 1. Therefore secant 0 degrees is 1 and secant 30 degrees. That means cosecant 60 degrees 2 by root 3. Therefore secant 30 degrees will be 2 by root 3. So same follows here. Therefore the secant 45 degrees will be root 2 and secant 60 degrees is 2 and secant 90 degrees is undefined. And next, coming to cot theta. So here cot theta and tan theta, these both are co-ratios. So that the cot theta value will be the reciprocal for tan theta. That means 1 by tan theta. So cot 0 degrees will be 0 by 1. Not 0 by 1. It is reciprocal, right? So it will be 1 by 0. So it is undefined. Okay. And next, cot 30 degrees. What is cot 30 degrees? It is the reciprocal for tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 degrees will be root 3. Obviously it will be root 3. And next, tan 45 is 1. So tan 45 will be equal to cot 45. Here, if you observe here, I am making the reciprocal. We can make also reciprocal. We can also use another formula. Like here, tan 90 degrees will be equal to cot 0 degrees. And tan 30 degrees will be equal to cot 60 degrees. Okay? You can find the value of cot in any way. By using this co-ratios formula or by using the reciprocal. Okay? Here I am using the reciprocal because it will be easy, right? So that I am using the reciprocal values. And here tan 60 degrees will be 1 by root 3. So root 3 by 1 is the value of tan 60 degrees. So the value for cot 60 degrees will be 1 by root 3. And next, here tan 90 degrees is undefined. So cot 90 degrees will be 0. So if here it is undefined, so how it will be here 0? Because any number by 0 is undefined. So for example, let us take 1 by 0. So reciprocal for it is 0, right? So cot 90 degrees will be 0. And these are the important trigonometric ratios to be learned. So, and next we will learn about trigonometric quadrants. That means that we need to use the certain signs for each angle. Okay. So that we will learn in next class. So here first you need to be ready with these formulas. You need to butterfly these formulas. Not all those. Only remember the sign values. Okay. If you remember these sign values, automatically you will get those values. Cos, tan and cosecant, secant and cot. Okay. And that is about today's topic, trigonometry. And in next class, we will learn about the signs of trigonometric values. Okay? In our next class, we will learn the signs for trigonometric values. There will be 4 quadrants. Okay? For each quadrant, there will be certain angles, certain limit for angles. Okay? That we will learn in next class. No need to bother about it. So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay? If any corrections to be done, please comment me in the comment section. And thank you.